Want to know a quick hack to get a perfect jawline? A well-defined jawline is not just about looks, it's about confidence. It's about making a statement without saying a word. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unlock the secret to a perfect jawline. Ready for the hack? It's simpler than you think. First off, posture is key. Keep your shoulders back, chin up, and look ahead. Now let's talk chin exercises. Try chin lifts, look towards the ceiling and blow a kiss. Or how about neck rolls? Tilt your head side to side and then roll it in a circle. Lastly, don't forget a balanced diet and plenty of water. It all contributes to your jawline. And there you have it, a simple yet effective hack to get that perfect jawline. Now that you know the hack, are you up for a challenge? Give it a whirl, keep tabs on your progress. Try this hack today and see the difference. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with this hack for optimal results. Stay tuned for more hacks and tips. Until next time, keep striving for perfection.